What's good, Sacred family? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys the best render settings for music videos in Premiere Pro 2024. If you guys want the cleanest quality in your videos on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, make sure you stick around. I'm gonna be dropping the export sauce in this video. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping videos every single day. Every type of video editing I'm dropping, so don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button, join the family, let's go. Hit the like button as well, guys. It really supports my channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm push my video to other content creators as well. So if you guys support me, hit that like button. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. With that being said, let's hop in Premiere Pro. Alright guys, as you can see, we're in Premiere Pro. This is a performance shot I did for a music video about a couple months back. This highlighted area is the area that we will be rendering out. If you guys are working on a music video, you're obviously going to want to render the whole thing out. So you will press I, and then you will go to where you want the render to stop. So at the end, press O, and as you guys can see, the render opens up completely. So if you're editing a full music video on Premiere Pro, make sure the I is at the beginning and the O is at the end. And that's pretty much the source that's gonna render out. But for the tutorial's sake, we don't need to render out everything, so I'm gonna go right here. So this area right here will be the area we will be rendering. Next thing we want to do is you want to press Control M. If you're on Mac, it's Command M, and this will pop up. We're going to go to the format. Right before we go into the settings, guys, this part of the video will be me explaining the best export settings for a YouTube video. First things first, we want to make sure the format is on QuickTime. So if it's on anything else, I think the default is H.264. So just to QuickTime, we will keep this preset right here. It's fine. Then for the video codec, make sure you guys choose Apple ProRes 422 HQ. This is probably the best settings for a YouTube video. If not, you guys could do LT. This is also pretty good. Apple ProRes 4x4 is probably the biggest file size, but the human eye cannot tell the difference from this one to these two right here. But Apple ProRes 422 HQ works perfect. Then we're gonna scroll down. Make sure the depth is on 16 bitrate. Make sure you check off use maximum render quality. That's very important. Now, if it's a music video, I recommend going to audio. Let's set that sample size to 32-bit. Then we're gonna go to the basic video settings. We're gonna scroll down. As you guys can see, the frame right here is 23 FPS. This is exactly what we want for the cinematic look. Please, 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 guys, don't render your video in 60 FPS. It will not be as cinematic. Make sure you choose 24 FPS. Now, guys, I'm in the 2020 version. So this is the icon that pops up for the save preset, but I think in the 2024 is 3 dots. So I highly suggest you guys go ahead, press save it. And we're gonna change this to music video render. Gonna go press OK. Now every time you want to export a music video, you go ahead and it's already should be there. Fire. One more thing I forgot to mention, guys, make sure you go over here to the source range and make sure it's selected in the sequence in and out instead of the others. This is pretty much what I was explaining earlier to you guys with the I and O, the in and the out. Make sure you choose the source range to in and out so you don't render things you don't need to be rendering, and you can go ahead and export it once you have all that set up. Now for Instagram, TikTok, we're gonna do a different type of export settings. That's only because if we do in the high quality, Instagram and TikTok will compress the video a lot. So now we're gonna switch up the settings for this one. We're gonna go to format and we're gonna choose H.264. This is gonna be our best friend. Then we're gonna go to video, make sure this is all good. Check off render at maximum depth. Make sure you check use maximum render quality as well. And then just like before, we're gonna go to our preset. We're gonna save it. We're gonna call this one Instagram render. Go ahead and save it. And there we have it, guys. So if we want the YouTube one, we're gonna choose music video render. It's all set up for us the way we want it. And if we want the Instagram TikTok, we just go back to H.264, preset Instagram render. And there we have it. And that is the end of this video, guys. Make sure you guys copy this export settings if you want the cleanest quality for your videos. If you guys enjoyed the video, learned something new, hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping videos every single day. You don't want to miss out. Hit that like button if you support me. It'll really help the YouTube algorithm push my videos out. I appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.